Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer VMware-style VMs to a VPS provider, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer VMware-style VMs to a VPS provider, start by preparing your virtual machines. Ensure all software and applications are up to date. Shut down the VMware virtual machines you wish to transfer. Access the VMware Workstation or vSphere client. Locate the VM folder containing the virtual machine files. This folder typically includes a .vmx file, .vmdk files, and other related files. Next, create a backup of your VM files for safety. Choose an appropriate location on your local drive or external storage. Once backed up, access your VPS provider's control panel. Check the provider's guidelines for importing virtual machines. Many providers support specific formats, typically OVF or VMDK. If your VM is in the VMDK format, you may need to convert it to OVF. Use VMware's OVF tool for this conversion process. Download and install the OVF tool if you haven't already. Open a command prompt or terminal window to access the tool. Use the command to convert your VMDK files to OVF format. Once the conversion is complete, locate the output files. Next, log into your VPS provider's control panel. Navigate to the section for importing virtual machines. Select the option to upload your OVF files. Choose the files converted in the previous step. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the upload process. After the upload is finished, your VPS provider will typically initiate the import process. Once the VM is imported, configure network settings as needed. Make sure to allocate sufficient resources like CPU and RAM for your VM. Start the virtual machine within the VPS dashboard. Monitor the VM's performance after startup. If everything appears normal, proceed with any additional configurations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.